Hey guys, this is Mr. Kirill. Let's work on some problems using interval notation. We have two graphs and we're going to transform these graphs into an interval notation. For the first one, we have circled 6 and 12, so we're going to copy the numbers 6 and 12. And then we're going to use brackets or round parentheses. 6 is shaded in, so we're going to use a bracket. 12 is not shaded in, so we're going to use a round parentheses. So we will have all the numbers in between 6 and 12 including 6 but not including 12. Our second graph has two inequalities connected with the word or. So we notice that the first inequality starts at -5 and goes to the left. So we're going to have negative infinity as our left boundary. And then it stops at -5, so we're going to put -5. Well, this is not shaded in, so we're going to use round parentheses. Or for our second inequality on this graph, we have 10. We're going to copy 10, and then it goes to the right all the way to positive infinity. So we're going to use bracket for 10 because it's shaded in, and round parentheses because it's not possible to have negative infinity. So every time we have negative and positive infinity, we're going to just write the round parentheses. Well, the next couple of examples, we have the interval notation. We're going to transform this into a graph. For the first one, we have -3 and 8. We already have provided a number line. Let's start and count. Let's start from -5 and count by 5. -5, 0, 5, 10, 15. With -3, it's going to be in between -5 and 0, closer to -5. We're going to circle this. And 8, it's going to be in between 5 and 10, closer to 10. We're going to circle this as well. Well, -3 is with the round parentheses, so we're not going to shade in. But 8 is with the bracket, so we're going to shade in. So we're talking about what is in between -3 and 8. So that is going to be the graph of the interval -3, 8. For a second example, we have some numbers there, 0 to infinity. So we can count this by 2. We can start with -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. This number line is random as long as we have 0 on it. We are gonna circle 0, and we have a bracket, so we're gonna shade in 0. And then we're going to show everything to the right. 0 to infinity means 0 on to the right. For last example, we have an interval between -20 and -5. So let's start with -25 and count down by 5. -20, -15, 10, -5. -10 and -5. We're going to circle -20 and -5. None of them will be shaded in because we have that round parentheses. So we're going to just connect these two circles. So it's going to look like a dumbbell. This is our interval notation, how you write an interval notation from a graph, or how you actually graph an interval notation on a number line. Thank you and have a wonderful day.